Imagine this, you're riding through a foggy mountain trail, wind slicing across your visor, and ahead lies only the unknown, just you and your machine. That machine is the 2026 Falcon Trailmaster 600. This isn't just a bike, it's a beast born to rule the wild, built to turn every rough road into a story and every ride into an adventure. When you twist that throttle, it doesn't just move, it roars, it dominates, and it defines freedom. The Falcon Trailmaster 600 is the ultimate adventure tourer of its generation, a bike designed not just for speed, but for power, balance, and endurance. Under the hood, it packs a 600cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, delivering a solid 65 horsepower. But the magic isn't in the numbers, it's in how it delivers that power. Smooth, consistent, and raw, it feels alive beneath you. Whether you're tearing down desert trails or climbing rocky highlands, the Trailmaster 600 adapts, grips, and conquers. Falcon has introduced a cutting-edge adaptive terrain management system, which automatically senses the terrain and switches between modes. On highways, it locks into road mode for a soft, responsive ride. Take it off-road, and it instantly shifts into gravel or mud mode, boosting torque, reducing traction control, and giving you perfect grip where most bikes struggle. And here's the real beauty, it does all of this automatically. No buttons, no menus, just pure intelligence on two wheels. Now, let's talk about its look, rugged, muscular, and futuristic. Those dual LED matrix headlights light up the road like twin suns. Aluminum crash guards, a tall windscreen, wide handlebars, and integrated adventure panniers, this bike doesn't just look ready for adventure, it is adventure. Its 22-liter fuel tank means you can go nearly 450 kilometers on a single fill-up, freedom without limits. Comfort. Oh, Falcon nailed it. The adjustable seat height 830mm to 870mm means riders of all sizes can feel at home. The wide handlebar gives superb off-road control, while the anti-vibration foot pegs make long rides a pleasure, not a punishment. Every inch of this machine screams endurance, and every ride feels like flying low over the earth. Then there's the TFT 7-inch touchscreen display, which feels more like a cockpit than a dashboard. Built-in GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, ride analytics, tire pressure monitoring, helmet intercom sync, and even voice command control. You can switch riding modes, answer calls, and listen to your favorite tracks, all hands-free. This isn't just a bike, it's a smart machine. Now let's talk performance, 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.2 seconds, with a top speed of 185 km/h. But it's not the speed that excites, it's the stability. The 6-speed slipper clutch gearbox gives you buttery smooth shifting, and Falcon's tuning makes acceleration feel effortless and confident. The dual 320mm front discs and 260mm rear disc brakes with dual-mode ABS road, off-road ensure pinpoint braking even on tricky terrain. You can even disable rear ABS for that perfect dirt slide control. Suspension. Top tier. Falcon fitted Showa fully adjustable USD forks up front and a monoshock at the rear, customizable manually or electronically. So no matter the terrain, the ride stays steady, planted, and fearless. Now, here come the hidden features, the ones that make this bike legendary. The Trailmaster 600 comes with integrated drone support, yes, a mini drone that launches directly from the bike to record your journey or scout the trail ahead. It's perfect for vloggers, adventurers, or anyone who wants to capture pure cinematic rides. Next, it features self-healing paint, small scratches fade away under sunlight or mild heat. And it doesn't stop there. The Smart Key proximity system means the bike senses you as you approach, lights blink, the dash comes alive, and the engine readies itself. It's like the bike recognizes its rider. And the price? Globally, it's expected to launch around $7,900 USD, while in countries like Pakistan or India,